In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your voice sound angry in ElevenLabs. We'll walk through the exact process, and I'll share tips to help you get a convincing, intense read without it sounding cartoonish. Start by opening your web browser and searching for ElevenLabs. Once you're on the site, head to the login page. Enter your credentials and confirm by clicking Login. After you're in, go straight to text-to-speech. This is where we'll do all the work. Choose a voice that already carries some expressiveness. Voices in the 11 Multilingual V2 collection are a great starting point because they're designed to handle stronger emotions and more dynamic delivery. Pick one that feels close to what you want so you'll need fewer tweaks later. Type your dialogue or sentence into the text box. Think about how a genuinely angry person would speak. Short, direct phrasing often works better than long, complex sentences. Now add emotion cues to guide the model. You can add brief directions like angry, furious, or under your breath, right before the line, or write a parenthetical like angrily to set the mood. You can also emphasize certain words by capitalizing a key term sparingly. This tells the model which parts deserve extra force. Next, open voice settings to fine-tune the delivery. Try nudging stability a little lower to allow more variation and edge in the performance. If your voice has a style or style exaggeration control, increase it moderately to amplify intensity without making it sound unnatural. Clarity and similarity enhancement can stay balanced. If the read sounds too harsh or muddy, bring clarity up slightly. If you see a speaker boost option, a small increase can add presence that reads as assertive, which supports an angry tone. Punctuation matters a lot. Use exclamation marks to signal bursts of anger. M dashes can create sharp breaks, perfect for interruptions or sudden shifts in tone. Ellipses slow things down when anger simmers before flaring up. Keep it purposeful. Too many symbols can dilute the effect. When you're ready, click generate or hit play to preview. Listen for pacing, emphasis, and whether the intensity fits the moment. If it's too flat, lower stability a bit more, or increase style exaggeration. If it's over the top, pull those settings back and reduce extra punctuation. Iterate in small steps until it feels authentic. That's it. With the right voice, clear cues, thoughtful punctuation, and a few targeted tweaks, you'll get a compelling angry read in ElevenLabs.